I just got it on the mail, so I didn't have to wait too long. Amazon started having them now. So first of all, they give you the instruction manual. All right, and we are going to upgrade in the future. So let's just go ahead and get the whole thing out. You get the case itself, the giant case, and let's get everything out that's included. All right, so we got the actual system here, and it comes with a power, of course. And if you guys notice, it says Val here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this. Look at this beautiful system. We are gonna get the glass protector too, so that's a must. We're gonna get that, but it feels so comfortable in the hand. We're gonna be able to set up our docking stations and other stuff in there. Let's go ahead and review a couple things. You got the power plug here, Type C connection, 3.5 jack, and then you got your audio controls here, minus and plus. And then pretty much you got controllers on the bottom here, triggers on the top, two different knobs, and then also touch knobs here, and then Steam, and then 3-point connection, which is the menu mostly. You got X, Y, A, B, and A. All right, first time turning it on, it took a while. I thought it was going to start up, but it took a while, and now it's working. All right, let's start connecting our Steam Deck into the actual system while I'm downloading. So I like that you could set it up here. I'm gonna unplug it for now and then plug it in the back of it. You guys can see that. Connect it here, and that should be a faster internet instead of the wireless. So it tells you that we're connected to the connection. So let's go see how fast it's actually down. Now I'm jamming downloading. So with the docking station, you'll be able to download quicker. You could play with your keyboard, mouse, and you could play on the screen. You don't need the fancy computer no more. You could just use the actual Steam Deck. Let's play Apex on the Steam Deck.
Enemies a strike. Take fire. I target enemy field. Open smoke. I'm hit. I'm down. Tango near me. Sending an arc star.
It's hard to get used to. I'm trying to get used to the gaming, but it's going to take me some time. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.